Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. Today we're going to be pulling the plugs out on our 1948 Cadillac here and putting some Marvel Mystery Oil down the cylinders to start kind of lubricating it so we can turn the motor over by hand. Story has it with this car that it ran 5 or 6 years ago. The original family who had it for all of its life always kept it maintained and running. So that's a really, really good thing. But then the gentleman actually ended up passing away and I bought it from his grandson. So between that time, the car just kind of sat in the garage and wasn't ran for a while. So hopefully everything's good with it. From the stories that I get, it should be. But like I said, I just want to do everything right. I don't want to break any rings or hurt anything unintentionally. So like I said, I always pull plugs, lubricate the cylinders, let them sit for 4 or 5 days, and then turn it over by hand. So that's the first step to this process today. Thank you for joining us on the channel. So we're going to get started on pulling plugs here. I have a special helper today. This is my mom. Want to say hi to everybody?
Hey there. We're gonna see if this old girl will run.
All right, so you're gonna start.
She will.
Yeah, you're gonna start doing this side. I don't think we're numbering them yet.
I honestly have not seen.
I know, right? There's like no boots.
This is like no, yeah.
I pulled one on the other side. There's like literally no boot to it whatsoever.
Yeah, not at all.
Very thin and tiny.
And it just, I think that it just came apart.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure of it.
They're so old and decrepit. Yeah.
So what is that? The little end that just came off of the boot.
It did.
Yep. All right, so she's gonna do driver's side and I'm gonna do passenger side. So thank you guys for tuning into the channel. Well, how's she burning?
Old.
Nice and toasty brown. Okay, so we've got our little pump can. You guys have seen us do this numerous times on numerous cars. Just put it down inside the cylinder there and give it a couple pumps. Marvel Mystery Oil. We love that stuff. Not too much per cylinder. Just enough to kind of lubricate it and so we can turn it over safely. Craziest little boots I've ever seen.
I know, right?
There to do.
Hope she fires off like all of our other ones have.
So too.
Been blessed.
I'm gonna need the extension for this one just to have that here.
Yeah. Get it for you here.
Pretty old. Like we said a little bit ago, I'm wondering if these might be the original boots. It's quite possible.
Well, I've never seen any like them.
Yeah. They're very, let's say, streamlined.
My other 48 didn't have boots like that.
Yeah. And those little things want to just stay on there. That wasn't tight at all. Use the extension for that one. So I don't know if you guys know this or not, but it's quite the genius little plan. On top of your oil filler cap over here is where your dipstick is attached to. So obviously,
that's a dipstick.
Yeah, very big, very thick. It's got oil, but it's obviously very dirty and old. So oil change will be in store next soon. But just a very genius plan on Cadillac's part, I think.
Really cool.
Okay guys, so that's it for our oiling down of the cylinders. We've got the plugs back in, just finger tight. We'll be getting some new wires and all that good stuff. So thank you, Mama, for being part of the video.
Oh, you're welcome.
So next on, I'm gonna segment the video, and next we're gonna start cleaning up these hubcaps a little bit and the side spears that go down the side of the car. We're dying to see what those are gonna look like. And like I said, since I have my special helper today, we'll be doing that here in a few minutes. Hope you guys will tune back in.
The lazy way out today.
Oh no.
Gotta have a little fun.
Yep.